told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
More engine, more power, but depending on your riding experience.
That's that new Chinese bike, right?
Yeah, CF Moto. So they actually built a lot of parts for different manufacturers. And then not too long ago they said, hey, why don't we just start making our own? So they started making motorcycles, ATVs, they've been over in Europe for a little bit. They recently got over here to the US.
What kind of reputation do they?
To be honest, they have a really reliable reputation. Not only are they at a great price point, as you can see, but they have been so far really reliable.
Some sort of rider.
What kind of warranty comes with these things?
So these come with either a 6-year or a 6-month or a 12-month warranty.
So who is this made for? Is this for a lady, for younger crowd?
These are for anybody who is attracted to like they just want to get into riding. On a bike that they can
feel ready. Turn the power up, turn the power.
Yeah, they make multiple different
models. They make 300s.
They make little
I kind of in between. I didn't do the old school. I didn't. Yeah, my first bike was a 600. I did not start on it. I never had a smaller bike.
So they have quite a few different models.
It's a little naked bikes. They're 650s.
Yep, 650, and then you also got on the end over there the 700 CLX.
That's the CLX right there. Just won the Reader's Choice Award from Motorcycle Magazine.
What happened with the CLX?
Well, they won the Reader's Choice Award. Pete sent us out an email on it. That's a hot little bike right there. And I mean, look at it. The styling on it's dynamite.
That's a good looking little naked bike.
Yeah, and I mean, for the price, customers love them. Obviously, they voted it #1.
You got Brembo brakes?
Yeah, Brembos. You get a lot of value with it.
Forks? It's a weird little fender for a naked bike. It's cute though. I love the can in these. This is OEM, huh? Almost looks like it's aftermarket part. Yeah, no more demos of these. That's too bad, man. So all of this is a full carbon, some sort of inlay, or is it just?
Vic, do you know if these are?
Click it with your finger.
Say what now?
Yeah, click it with your finger.
Click it?
Nah, that's plastic with wrap.
Yeah.
Carbon's got that kind of tangy, you know what I mean?
Right.
Trust me, because I've broken a lot of them.
I was trying to figure out what it was. I was like, I think a lot of these manufacturers are doing that. I think I saw some of that.
Oh, dude, they're all, even the CBR 900 RRs and stuff back in the day when they started it, they weren't real carbon. I mean, they look good, but they weren't real carbon.
Yeah, good looking bike. Good looking bike. Have you been on one of these yet?
Other than riding them around here, not really, but from riding it just around here, they're actually pretty nice, pretty comfortable.
So it looks like the 750, is this a 750? It's 650. It's going for $49.93. What's the 750 going for?
700.
700, not 750. That's a weird shape. I don't think I've ever seen exhaust cross like that in the front. You normally see them come down. Yeah, it is weird. Cool looking at the same time.
They are
$69.99 for 700 Naked Sport CF Moto. What is it? 700 CLX?
CLX Sport, yes.
Yeah. So 650. Both of these are 650s. Is that a silver or it's got some flakes to it or something?
Kind of like a white metallic.
Yeah. with the green wheels. That's kind of cute.
Yeah, and then the cool thing about their bikes, like between their 300s and their 650s, they'll come with the nice TFT display.
Yeah.
And
Can we see the dashes?
Yeah, if we can go look at the one outside.
Oh, there's one outside.
Yeah, because that's the one that's high, our demo bike, and I can kind of show you the display.
Okay. Which one you have out there as a demo?
The CF Motors 300 SS.
Oh, do they all look the same more or less? The TFT display?
Yeah, the displays, yes.
Okay, that works. Let's check.